All right, some warm-ups today. Didn't get a chance to do these in class, so hopefully everybody's watching this at home. Just want to show the difference between the definition, the alternative form of the definition, and the power rule, but on the same function at the same point, and so we should get the same result 3 different ways. So it's a complete review, recap of what we've already done, but hopefully just seeing the 3 different ones all arriving at the same answer, maybe clarifying. So definition, that's where I need f of x plus h. 2 times x plus h squared plus 1. So FOIL that, distribute the 2. That's what you would get. Now you're ready to plug that into the limit definition of a derivative. Again, you'll have to know this for the test. 2x squared plus 4xh plus 2h squared plus 1 minus f of x, so minus 2x squared plus 1 all over h. Things should cancel with polynomials, so the 2x squareds go away, minus 1 plus 1 goes away. So limit as h approaches 0, 4xh plus 2h squared over h. Still can't substitute because I get 0 over 0, but the h's will cancel. And so limit as h approaches 0 of 4x plus 2h. Plug in 0 for h, and we get 4x. So the derivative at f is equal to 4x. Of course, now we know the power rule, so we could have gotten that 2 minutes ago and be done with this problem. But we need to know how to use the definition of a derivative. So f prime at negative 1, 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Going the long way around, that's kind of the worst way to go. Next, let's use the alternative form. So that's the limit as x approaches the point we're talking about of f of x minus f of the point we're talking about over x minus the point we're talking about. So for this one, I need to find f of negative 1. So 2 times negative 1 squared plus 1. So that would be 2 plus 1 is 3. So f of x, 2x squared plus 1, minus f of negative 1 is 3, all over x plus 1. And again, this isn't going to tell me the overall derivative, this is going to tell me the derivative at a particular point. So the alternative definition tells me at one spot. So when I get done with this, I'm going to have my answer. I'm not going to have to do anything else. So 2x squared minus 2 over x plus 1. But I can factor the top, factor out of 2, x plus 1 over x plus 1, x minus 1. The x plus 1's cancel. Now I can plug in negative 1 all the way over right there. So 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Hey, same thing we got the first way. So different methods, same result. Last method, our favorite method, the power rule. If f of x is 2x squared plus 1, then the derivative is 4x, because bring the 2 down, decrease the power by 1. So at negative 1, we get negative 4. Obviously, that's our preferred method because it's super quick, but it confirms that any method we use, we get the same thing. So hopefully that's a good little overview of kind of the 3 lessons we've done so far. Definition of a derivative, alternative form, and our favorite power rule, which is a great little shortcut. So hopefully that's helpful to see all 3 at once and maybe make things a little bit clearer.